In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up project budget tracking on Monday.com. We'll start right from the Monday.com home area. Once you're on your account's homepage, the first thing you want to do is open up the workspace where you manage your projects. From here, look towards the top or side navigation for the option to add a new board. This may appear as a button or a plus icon. Go ahead and click that so we can create a new structure specifically for tracking your budget. When the new board options appear, choose the option to start with a template rather than building from scratch. Templates are really helpful because they come pre-configured with groups, columns, and views that are already optimized for project and budget management. In the Template Center, use the search bar and type in a keyword related to budgeting or marketing budgets. You'll see several template options appear. Look for a template that's focused on a high-level marketing or project budget. This type of template usually includes planned versus actual costs, timelines, and status columns. Click on the template you want to use, then confirm by selecting the Use Template option. Monday.com will now create a new board based on that layout. Once the board is created, you'll see example projects such as seasonal campaigns or events. Click into one of these sample projects to explore how the budget information is organized. You'll notice different views at the top of the board. First, open the Gantt view. This lets you see all your project items laid out over time, which is useful for understanding when budget will be spent. Next, switch to a view like Quarterly Budget Chart. This type of view helps you visualize how your budget is distributed across months or quarters and quickly spot any overspending. Then, open the Creative Files or similar view to see how assets are linked to budget items, which is especially useful for marketing teams. Now, return to the main table view. This is where you'll actually manage the numbers. Locate the high-level marketing budget group and look for the budget or cost columns. Click into a sample figure such as 5,000 or 5,200 and replace those numbers with your own planned amounts. You can go line by line entering planned and actual costs for each activity or campaign. Finally, adjust the status of each item. Click on the status column, set items to completed once the work is done, and keep others as planned or in progress. Keeping these statuses accurate will make your charts and reports truly reflect your project's budget performance. And that's how you set up and start using project budget tracking on Monday.com.